Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start now by locating the Jiofi device sticker. It often shows the factory SSID and Wi-Fi key. Use that to connect. Once connected, open a browser and point it to the router admin URL, usually 192.168.1.1. Make sure your device stays on and charged, and disable cellular data on phones to avoid captive portal confusion. If you can't see the sticker, move the device closer and retry. The goal here is to get a stable admin access path. Once logged into the admin panel, go straight to the Wi-Fi or wireless settings page. Here you change the SSID and set a new, strong password. Choose WPA2 or WPA3 if available, and include letters, digits, and symbols to harden security. Save the configuration and note the new credentials exactly. If you can't log in because the admin password was changed, don't panic. Locate the small reset pinhole. That leads into the recovery steps covered next, but be prepared that a reset will erase custom settings. After saving your new settings, reboot the Jiofi so changes take effect, then reconnect your devices with the updated SSID and password. Make sure to update any devices that use the old password. If you remain locked out, perform a factory reset by holding the pin for 8-10 seconds. This restores defaults printed on the sticker so you can start again. Troubleshooting tip: if reset doesn't help, try a different browser or clear cache, and confirm the device firmware isn't corrupted before seeking service.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.